Hello and welcome to part 4 of my mini-series of how-to security videos. I'm going to show you how I created and published a Brother HTTPS certificate template in Windows for use in Brother training environments. Please note that it is a continuation from parts 1, 2 and 3. So unless you are watching this as a refresher course, I recommend you watch them first. Links to them can be found in the description. Let's get started by creating the template, which I will do from the management console that I created in the last video. If you did not watch this, there is a link to it on the screen. From here, I am going to select the Certificate Templates option. This will reveal all the available templates in Windows. I need to duplicate the web server template by first right-clicking it, and then left-clicking the Duplicate Template option. From here, I need to make some adjustments to the standard template, starting in the General section. I'm going to call it Brother HTTPS, and then select the Publish Certificate in Active Directory option. I am now going into the Request Handling section, where I need to ensure that the Allow Private Key to be Exported option is ticked. Next, I am going into the Security section of the template, where I need to click the Add button, followed by the Object Types button, where I will ensure that only the computer's object type is ticked. Every other object type needs to be unticked. To confirm this selection, I will press the OK button. Then click the Advanced button, where I am going to click the Find Now button. This will reveal the name of the server I am on right now. With it selected, I'm going to click the OK button here, and again here. I need to ensure that it is given full access rights. Before moving on to the last part of the creation of our template, which can be found in the Subject Name section. From here, I need to make sure that the Supply in the Request option is selected, before clicking the OK button to finish. Here is my new certificate template, which needs to be published into my CA server before it can be used. This can be done by expanding the Certificate Authority Local option in my Certificate Management console, which will reveal the name of my CA, which also needs to be expanded. I now need to right-click the Certificate Templates folder, which will reveal a drop-down box. From it, I will hover over the New option and click the Certificate Template to Issue option. I will now select the Brother HTTPS template that I created a few moments ago. Then click the OK button. My Brother HTTPS template is now ready to use. If you would like to learn how, please click the link on your screen to my next video. Alternatively, you can stay with me here while I summarize what I just did in this video. I started by creating a Brother HTTPS certificate template based on the existing Windows web server template. I then published this template into my Certificate Authority CA server. Thank you for watching. Links to the rest of the videos in this mini-series can be found in the description.